Welcome students. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Whips in C++. The practical number 6. I'll take you to the question. This is the question. The code is hashtag include IOStream using namespace std. This I've already taught in the last video, so you can go and check it out. Talking about the class base, public int a is equal to 10, protected int b is equal to 20, private int c is equal to 30, public void show count private c is equal to c and l. So over here we are creating a class name called base, which is the parent class. Public int a is equal to 10. A is my public variable which can be accessed, which has inside the class in a derived class, which is outside the class in min may. So you can see B is a protected variable that can be accessed inside the class but in derived class. I cannot be accessed in main directly, but public variable I can access it outside the class in main. Next is my private variable which can be accessed only inside the same class. I cannot directly access in child class or main. So we have public void show cow private c is equal to c. Show is basically a public function. It prints a private variable c. Since c is a private, we use a function to access it. Class derived public base. So public derived class is basically which inherit from the base and it becomes a child class. It get access to public and protected members. Then we create public void display. In that count public a is equal to a, count protected b is equal to b. Now here we are creating a function inside my derived class. Displays the prints displays it prints a and b and it can be accessed. So a is public, b is protected and c is private. Next, so private members cannot be accessed here. Int main base object 1, base obj1 in derived obj2. obj1 is object of base class. obj2 is object of derived class. There we can access the public member. Count public a is equal to obj1 dot a and l, where I can access outside the class, which allowed because it is public. Object 1 dot show, object 2 dot display, return 0. Now this means here show is basically it prevents the private c using function and displays public, prints public a and protected b. Return 0 is the program ends successfully. So your output would be public a time. So all of these. So what does this program teaches us? It has a specifier accessible in class and child class in main, public, protected and private, which helps me to access public and members can be accessed anywhere. Protected members can be accessed in derived class only. Private members are accessible only inside the same class. So plus access specifiers help in data hiding and security. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.